Okay. Can you pull it apart? Very good. Now can you put it back together?
Sure.
Very good. That's a good job.
You have the blue tractor.
Yeah. And you got a tanker truck.
How's it? How's this? How's this?
Okay, thank you.
Hi.